Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to wear clip-in hair extensions. I'm going to be wearing this set from Luxie Hair Extensions. I absolutely love Luxie hair extensions. They're very, very good quality. They're thick all the way from the weft down to the tip. The hair is very, very shiny and they are 100% Remy human hair. I've been very, very happy with these extensions and I'm going to show you how I wear them and how you can wear them too. If you're interested in watching, just stay right there. So some of the items I'm going to be using are this hairspray from L'Oreal. It's the Elnet Satin Hairspray, a brush from Conair, a few hair clips, and this part is completely optional. I don't tease my hair when I put on hair extensions, but a lot of people do, and you can either do that with this type of brush, a comb, a teasing comb. I've seen some people use a round brush, but I mean, it's completely up to you. I don't tease my hair. I'm going to show you what I do to keep them in there. I don't like to damage my hair. My hair is very fine, so I choose not to. So again, I'm going to be using this set from Luxie Hair Extensions. I'm going to link the type of extensions down below in the description box, so make sure to take a look there, and let's get started. So one of the tricks that I have to ensure that your hair extensions are applied like evenly and that they are where they are supposed to be every time is I had my hair extensions cut and blended, and what I did was I numbered each weft. So they've kind of faded a little bit, but like this is number 1, this is number 2, and so forth, so that I can remember exactly which one goes where. And then the little ones I didn't number just because they go along the sides. And one other tip and trick that I did was I cut one of the wefts into 2. So it had like 2 clips on each side, and I just cut it in the middle and kind of made another 2 of the smaller ones so that I can kind of blend them on the side, and I really like that just because it fits better on my head. So I'm going to be starting with piece number 1, and what some people do is they like to start at the nape of the neck and do like a little braid or tie it up and pin it up so that the little hairs don't stick out. But I'm going to be trying a tip from Desi Perkins. I saw in one of her videos that she did something really, really cool, so I'm going to be trying that in this video where it kind of prevents this part from showing. So let's see how that goes. So I'm going to clip up my hair. Once everything's clipped up, I am ready to start putting on my hair extensions. And I'm going to start with my clip number 1, which is the smallest weft. And I'm going to be starting with a little piece of hair like this. So I'm going to start by clipping in the first weft upside down. That's what I learned on Desi's channel and on her video, and I absolutely love that tip. And I definitely need to dye the bottom of my hair because, wow, it really just doesn't even match the top. But I'll put it on my to-do list. So I'm going to keep sectioning off the hair, and I'm going to put hairspray on each section, brush the hair. And I have a little trick. I don't tease my hair, but what I do is I twirl or like kind of do a little circular motion when I'm applying my hair extensions, and it kind of knots it a little bit, and then it has a little bit more grip. It doesn't really knot the hair, but just like a little bit to give it more grip. So you see there's still some sections that need hair extensions because you can see the separation. So I'm just going to continue working my way up, adjusting the clips as I go, and trying to, you know, keep the line as clean as possible. It doesn't need to be perfect, but enough where the hair extensions will sit comfortably. After the hairspray has dried a little bit, then I go in with number 4 on this section. I'm going to use a total of 5 wefts and then 6 small little clips on the sides of my hair, because as you can see, the wefts only cover the back portion and it leaves, I don't know, about a few, like 2 inches, maybe a little over 2 on the sides. So that's where these little ones come in. And these are very comfortable. They don't slide off very easily. I don't have to do much and they stay in. But it makes a huge difference. So I'm gonna go in with weft number 5. I don't always put this one in, but I'm gonna do it today. And now I'm going to go in with the small wefts on the sides. And I kind of just adjust them as I go, see where they're needed, see where they go. I kind of play with them. That's usually what I do. And I usually put more on the side that my hair falls. Not the side of the part, but the other side. I think you understand what I'm saying. Like this side. I'll put a few more so that it blends a little bit easier. So this is the final result. This is what the hair extensions look like when they're on. And I absolutely love this set from Luxie Hair Extensions. The hair extensions are very shiny, very healthy. They blend very well with my own hair. I've never dyed these hair extensions, and the color is just absolutely perfect with my actual hair color. I have not seen any bleeding when I've washed my hair. I've had other hair extensions where every time I've washed the hair, the water runs very brown and the color has gotten lighter and lighter as I've washed them. I've already washed this hair about 4 times and I really haven't seen any sort of bleeding from the hair, so I'm very happy about that. Before putting these extensions on, they are freshly washed and I blow dried them as well. And I did not iron the hair. I felt that it would blend a little bit better with my own hair without flattening them so much. I absolutely think that this set is very wearable. It's very comfortable on the head. It stays very flat. The wefts are very thin and they're also sewn very nicely. They have a strip of fabric that covers them and it helps keep the hair intact. There hasn't been a lot of shedding. Just such a good set of hair extensions. So I hope you enjoyed this video on how to wear clip-in hair extensions. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure to hit the subscription button down below and make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again next time.